Gogo Maweni went to DJ's Boo's podcast interview and shared really good news that she and her husband Sabelo are expecting twins through in vitro fertilization or IVF, you guys. She said that the pregnancy was supposed to be a secret until people started noticing her baby bump and started with speculating. Speaking to DJ's Boo, she said this. I said to my husband, if you want kids, I'm not going to go through pregnancy every time. This was a serious conversation in our household because you're talking to somebody who has children already. Soon we're going to add two more babies to the list. We are having twins. This was supposed to be a secret until the baby bump came out, she expressed. We work so hard, and the reason we work so hard is to be able to afford certain things. There is IVF. You go and they take out your eggs for the first month, then they take out your egg for the second month, then they put it back. I went to a gynecologist and asked to be referred for IVF, and we're here now. Well, congratulations to Gogo Maweni and her husband, you guys. Now, please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.